Hello everyone. Today's topic is career and roles and responsibilities in SAP MM. SAP MM में career और जिम्मेदारी वाली नौकरी में क्या क्या roles हैं वो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. तो quickly we will move to the next slide. The first column is talking about the different types of level, that is entry level, intermediate level, consultant level, and expert level. Second column is talking about the technical roles. The technical roles are for those people who are interested into coding and changing the logic of the program in the SAP system. Third column is talking about the rules for functional module. Functional module are like SAP MM, SAP PP, production planning, HR, SD, finance, business warehouse, quality management, plant maintenance. Okay. And the fourth column is talking about the management role. First, we will discuss about the entry level. So those people who are having a very little experience, let's say 1 to 2 years, then they can enroll for the role of system developers or right. And similarly, entry level in case of functional, they will going to use the application support. For example, if the consultant is having an entry level of experience like 1 to 2 years, then they will be put on support to support the application of SAP into different modules. Okay. Similarly, next is an intermediate level, wherein people are having, let's say, 3 to 4 years of experience, or I would say 2 to 3 years of experience. Then they can transform their career into system designer, into technical field. And similarly, these are also called as functional designer who do the configuration. उसके बाद जैसे ही थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ा, then that consultant can apply for the consultant level in the field of technical consultant or in the field of functional consultant. Similarly, it goes with the management as well. Management को हम लोग बाद में cover करेंगे. Coming on to the expert level, for example, let's say 6 to 9 years of experience, or I would say 6 to 10 years of experience. So such people are called as expert people in the field of technical people as a system architect, right? Similarly, those expert level are also called as cross functional expert. ये cross functional expert क्या होता है? For example, एक SAP MM consultant है, उसको SAP QM का भी information है 2 to 3 years का, या SAP plant maintenance का भी experience है. तो in such a case, those consultants are called as cross functional experts who are having the knowledge of more than one module. Okay. Now coming on to the management part, people who are having some very good skills apart from their individual contributor wala role, if they are having the good ability to lead the team, to lead the project, then they can also enter into the field of management with some experience by leading a small project or leading a small team of 2 to 3 people or maybe 4 to 6 people, right? And they can move into the same vertical in this ladder with this middle management post, with this senior management role, and blah blah blah. So everyone, this was the information about different career paths in the field of SAP. Whatever is the module, right? This is a kind of a general information, not specific to MM, but in every SAP career, all these roles are available. So thank you very much everyone for your time and attention. And I would like to request my dear friends to subscribe my channel and share with your friends all the relevant information starting from SAP enterprise structure, master data, purchasing documents, logistic invoice verification, inventory management, batch management, pricing procedure. Everything is there on this YouTube channel. So request you once again, my dear friends, to please like and subscribe this channel and share with your friends who are in need to grow in this field of SAP materials management. Thanks again. Bye bye for now.